How to fix CapCut lag. In this video, I will show you how to fix CapCut lag. The first step is to open the CapCut application just like I have done here. After that, create a new project. Once you have done that, go ahead and add the video to the timeline. Sometimes lagging may occur as a result of having a very long video which makes your device slow, so make sure you delete the unwanted parts of the video just like I have done here. If that does not solve the issue, come back to the home page of the app. As you can see, there is a list of all your projects here. These projects are saved on CapCut, and that may be causing the lagging in case they have become too many, making the app to become slow and not respond on time. So go ahead and tap on these three dots here. A section with options appears, as you can see from here. From those options, tap on this one named Delete. You will get this confirmation section asking you to confirm your action. Go ahead and do that, and the project will be deleted, freeing up more space, and that will make the app run smoother. So keep doing that until you have deleted all the projects. Finally, if that does not solve the issue, tap on the setting icon. It is this icon here with the gear symbol. Once you are on the settings page, scroll to the bottom. At the bottom, there is an option named Clear Cache. Go ahead and clear the cache, and that will make the app function well. Finally, if that does not solve the issue, open the settings of your phone. Next, scroll down and look for one named General. Here it is. Tap on it. On the General page, scroll down and look for another option named iPhone Storage. Here it is. Tap on it. Wait for the page to finish loading. Scroll down until you see a list of apps. Continue scrolling through the list until you see the app you are looking for, which is here. Tap on it and you will land on the app info page where you will find these options. Tap on this one named Offload App. This will delete corrupted files that are making the app run slow without deleted the important app data and files. Finally, open either the App Store or Play Store depending on the device you are using, because this tutorial is the same for both Android and iOS devices. After that, search for CapCut and check if the CapCut application needs to be updated and update it. This will ensure you get the latest features, and this will install a new and better version of the app, making the app work well. That is how to fix CapCut lag.